Living room with a bold and patterned wallpaper. Transform your living room with bold, patterned wallpaper. In this video, we dive into the stylish world of patterned wallpaper and explore how a bold, eye-catching design can elevate your living space. Whether you're going for dramatic florals, modern geometric shapes, or timeless vintage patterns, learn how to make a statement with wallpaper that becomes the focal point of your room. Inside this video. 1. Choosing the right pattern. Tips on selecting a wallpaper pattern that complements your room's style, whether you prefer something classic, retro, or ultra-modern. 2. Color coordination. Discover how to pair your bold wallpaper with complementary or contrasting colors in furniture, textiles, and decor for a unified look. 3. Balancing bold prints. See how to create balance by blending patterned walls with neutral furnishings, minimalist decor, and subtle accents. 4. Accent wall versus full room. Learn about the different effects of using wallpaper on a single wall versus the entire room, and how each choice impacts the space. 5. Texture and finish options. Explore finishes such as matte, glossy, and textured wallpapers that add depth and dimension to your living room design. 6. Maximizing lighting impact. Understand how natural and artificial lighting can bring out the colors and details of your wallpaper, enhancing the room's ambience. 7. Mixing patterns with decor. Get inspired by ideas for pairing your wallpaper with other patterned elements, like throw pillows or rugs, to create a cohesive, layered look. 8. Wall art and decor tips. Tips on decorating around patterned walls, including ideas for frames, mirrors, and wall art that won't clash but instead complement the wallpaper. 9. Creating a theme with wallpaper. Learn how to use patterned wallpaper as the base for a design theme, from tropical or botanical to industrial or contemporary. 10. Wallpaper durability and maintenance. We'll cover how to care for and maintain your wallpaper, ensuring it stays fresh and vibrant over time. Why choose bold and patterned wallpaper? Unique style statement. Patterned wallpaper brings personality, instantly transforming a simple room into a memorable, stylish space. Versatile options. With endless patterns and colors to choose from, you can find a wallpaper style that fits any aesthetic or color scheme. Add depth and interest. Bold patterns give your room a layered, textured feel without the need for excessive decor. Perfect for all room sizes. From large to small rooms, bold wallpaper works as a dynamic decor element, adding style without taking up space. Get ready to go bold with wallpaper in your living room. Watch this video for all the tips, tricks, and inspiration you need to create a stylish space with patterned wallpaper. Don't forget to subscribe for more design tips and room transformations.